Many musicians are very concerned with this new music generative AIs. Well, first of all, there is no such thing as AI, artificial intelligence. It's just a fancy name for neural network algorithms, and there's nothing intelligent in it. Second, we still do not have a clear definition of intelligence in general. Basically, we don't know what it is exactly. But I will use this term AI just because it's short and fancy. Let's look at the generative AI a bit closer. It does not create music. It is really good at combining different elements of previously created music and to pick those parts that average general public will like the most. That's why it is really bad at creating modern academic music, le musique concrète and avant-garde jazz. Just gathering info on what exactly people like in general, finding those parts in, for example, Spotify uploads and combining those elements in one track. So there's nothing intelligent in this process. But musicians are concerned that this AI will take their jobs. Well, yeah, for sure. And actually, it is a good thing. Let me explain. With digital technologies, the entry level to music creation is very, very low now. You can grab a phone, download a bunch of sequencers, VSTI instruments, different sample packs, and create a track in just hour or couple of hours. You don't need recording studios, you don't need expensive equipment, you don't need trained personnel like audio engineers and all of that. Just a phone and few apps, and it will not cost you much. Then you can make like 20 tracks a month, upload it to Spotify, Deezer, and basically nothing. There is some data from Deezer that 78% of all the uploads has never been played. Not a single time. And according to different surveys from different platforms, there's about 150,000 tracks are being uploaded every day on streaming services. And about 95% of all the authors on these platforms have less than 1,000 streams per year. So what's the difference then? If it is made by hand with very little effort or generated by AI, the result is the same. No one will listen to it. People write songs all the time, and nobody cares. Like you. Yes, you. There was a party when one guy took a guitar and said, "Oh, here's a song I wrote." And everybody was, "Yeah, you're good, it's a good song," and all of that. And like half an hour later, everyone just forgot about it. And even then, it was much greater experience to listen to live performance than going to Spotify and trying to listen to some new music or discover something interesting. AI will never replace live performance. Like a singer with a guitar just in front of you, an orchestra in a concert hall, jazz band at your local bar, a rock band in a club. So those musicians have nothing to worry about. But for those with Fruity Loops Studio, sample packs, launch pads, and so on, AI can make it faster, cheaper, and better. And I think it is a good thing in general, because basically now nobody cares anymore.